everyone. So today's going to be a little bit of something different video. As you can see, I'm in my car, and that's because I'm sitting outside of Hotworx, which is a place where I work out, and it is a sauna-based place, but that's actually not what I'm reviewing. So what I'm reviewing is this new app called Fitness Coach. Now, I did receive 3 months for free in exchange for a review for this video, so that is why I'm reviewing it. But I have really enjoyed it. So I've only been using it about a month. I have 2 months left. Now, I haven't been using it as consistently as I had hoped, just because we traveled and just other things. But now that I'm starting to use it, I'm really liking it. So like everyone else, I quit the gym. Well, the gym closed during quarantine, and then when it started to reopen, my husband and I decided to cancel our membership for several reasons. One, we didn't want to wear masks while we worked out, and then also there's a cleaning schedule, and then it was just very complicated. So we decided to cancel our membership. We had planned to renew, but we ended up building like a little gym in our garage. And when Hotworx, which is a place that I always worked out anyway, they reopened where basically it's a virtual training center, and you can do like hot yoga, you work out in a sauna, and you can usually fit 3 people. But ever since they reopened, you can only fit 1 person. So I've just maintained this membership. And they have an area called the FX zone, which is basically a little workout area. And you can reserve that too. So what I've been doing now is I've been reserving that area and then bringing my phone and using the Fitness Coach app, which I really enjoy. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I'm going to be going to the FX zone, doing my workout there, showing you the Fitness Coach app. I think my workout today is only 20 minutes, thank God, because I'm kind of tired. But, and then what I do is I do my workout, and then I go and do my hot yoga session through Hotworx, which is about 30 minutes. So it's a hot yoga. It's a virtual. I'll show you that too as well. But I'm really enjoying this Fitness Coach app because it gives me an opportunity to get a workout. I used to be able to work out on my own, but kind of since I haven't done it in a while, I get there and I kind of don't know what to do. So this does everything for you. It tells you, it times you, 20 seconds of squats or 20 squats. It just depends on what the workout is. Some days it's full body, some days it's legs. I did look at today, and there's some pistol squats, which I'm horrible at, but we'll see how that goes. But I really enjoyed it. So go ahead, let's I'll go show you now. I'm going to show you a little bit about Hotworx as well as the Fitness Coach app that I'm going to do today. Also, I do want to add, these workouts can be done anywhere. I do a lot of them at home. I just find I do them better here because then I can do my hot yoga after, stretch after the workout, which if I'm usually home, I usually skip, which is really bad. And then also our garage gym is a mess, and I'm not showing that on camera. So that is the reason. But the best thing about the Fitness Coach app is that you could pretty much do it anywhere. And there's not really equipment needed. I think the most I've ever needed is just dumbbells, which I already have, but it's not like you need other equipment. So even though I'm doing it here, it's just because it's more convenient for me, and I actually do it. When I'm at home, I tend to procrastinate. So that's my only thing. So here's the Hotworx I work out at. And I'm going to show you now how I get in. So there's 2 ways. There's a code, which I'm going to use, and then also there's an app that you can connect that will let you in and just do this. But I always use the code. Now, as you can see here, their hours start at 11 to 8 most days, and then on Saturdays it's 11 to 4, but it's actually 24 hours. So those are just the hours that it's manned. As you can see, there's no one here because it's 9 o'clock in the morning. And then here are all the individual saunas. They have cycle. These are the yoga rooms. Here, another cycle. That's me. And these are some hot blast. And then this is the workout area, and someone's working out right there right now. So I'm gonna set up. As you can see, I'm wearing my mask. You have to wear your mask around. Once you're working out, you don't have to wear it. I'm gonna go set up my stuff right now and then start my workout. So this is what my yoga area looks like set up. As you can see, I'm just one person, so I can just take up the whole space. Typically you would have 1, 2, and 3, but now that it's only one person per sauna, I can take up the whole space, which is really nice. And then each of the saunas have these little videos going on, and they play every 45 minutes with the exception of the cardio, which go every 15 minutes, and then the FX zone is reserved for every 45 minutes as well. And this is what the sauna looks like. You can see it, you time it, and then you put the temperature that you want here. So I'm putting it up. So obviously I go up to 130 when I'm in the sauna, and it gets hot pretty quick, but it really is just a fantastic workout. So now that my sauna's set up, I'm going to go over to the FX zone and do my workout on the Fitness Coach app. So here's me opening up the Fitness Coach app on my phone, and I'm just going to give you a sample of what my workout looked like.
Get ready to build muscles. Jumping jacks. 60 seconds. Upcoming. Inchworm. 10 reps. Go. Jumping jacks. 30 seconds. Go. Next, squat. 15 reps. Go. Next, mountain climber. 30 seconds. Go. Next, push-up. Go. Upcoming, standing toe touch. 30 seconds. Go. Upcoming, easy squat pistol right. Go. Upcoming, easy squat pistol left. Go. Water break.
So here's just a time-lapse video of me doing one round of the workout. So now I'm done with my Fitness Coach workout. It was only 20 minutes today, so I'm going to do a session of hot yoga. So that's it. I'm done with my workout. I'm gonna go home, get dressed, and change, and then I'm going to just kind of do an overview of everything about the Fitness Coach app. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a recap of my thoughts on the Fitness Coach app. First of all, for the price, it's fantastic. It's $5 or $4.99 a week. I also have, I think it's a 30% discount code, and I'll post a link below. So I think that's for the first month, it's 30% off. So you can't beat that. But even at $4.99, that comes out to roughly $20 a month. So, I mean, I was probably paying $20 a class. So it's totally worth it. The workouts are fantastic. You have, you can pick like what areas you're looking to work on. I'm looking to work on my thighs and my arms, as well as like you put in all your data and then you pick the coach. The only thing that I wish it allowed was to pick a coach that you could, for example, if it's a CrossFit coach, I know I don't want a CrossFit coach. I've done CrossFit. That's not a CrossFit I'm not going to be wanting to do a CrossFit coach. The coach I picked is Fanny, and Fanny is a track and field. So that's someone that I picked because I want to lean out. I don't necessarily want to build muscle, but I want to lean out. So I picked someone that does track and field. You get to pick between 3 coaches. They rotate, so you can kind of change your coach at any time. But I really like it. I mean, it gives me, I think I need to get in the habit of doing it. But today's workout that I showed you today was only a 20-minute workout, so it was short. Some of the workouts are a little bit longer. So the ones that are longer are the days that I do at home and I don't do anything else. So today's was a shorter workout, so I tagged it along and did it in tandem with my hot yoga, and it worked out really well. But if it's a longer workout, then there's no way I'm doing hot yoga after. But all in all, I think it's a great app. I'm really looking forward. So I have 2 more months that I get to try it out with, and I'm going to continue using it. But I will post a link below for 30% off, and I definitely think it's worth trying out. So 30% off of $20 for the first month is like $14. So yeah, totally worth it. At least to try it, but hopefully you got an idea of what it's like, and hopefully you enjoy it. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye.